In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 streams of income that is going to help you generate $10,000 a month online with AI. This is going to incorporate no ads whatsoever, all free methods, and without no website. Stay tuned. There is a lot of content out there, and honestly, it's a lot of fluff. I want to give it to you straight. I want to help you get results a whole lot faster than a lot of these other videos do because a lot of these gurus and people are teaching methods that they don't even do themselves. I'm Antonio X. Carter. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a number of years now, probably over 6 to 10 years. And with the advent of AI, it has made the game so much easier. And I just want to teach you these little 3 to 4 steps in order to help you get realistic results without having to purchase anything. Obviously, having a website helps, but you don't need a website. I'm going to help you create a shortcut around that. This is honestly to help you put money in your pocket a whole lot faster for a real legitimate business month after month. If you've watched any of my other videos, my background is a little bit different, going through a little bit of a transition, and that's okay. What's really important is this fire content I'm about to give to you. Check this out. The first thing that you need to do is find at least 3 affiliate products. If you're not into affiliate marketing and you want to do something with your own products that you're creating, or even PLR, which is a whole new different story, go ahead and select those products. But for intents of this video, I'm going to be strictly talking about affiliate marketing. It's the easiest way to start a business. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about follow-up. You just simply make the connection between the buyer and the seller. And once the transaction is made, you get a nice little commission. And if you play your cards right, you can make a good chunk of change doing this. I prefer a platform called clickbank.com, and it has a ton of different products. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to this website, you're going to click around, you're going to check out the marketplace, you're going to scroll through some of the products, and you're going to see what fits for you. Typically, you don't want to have a product that is less than 50 of the gravity points there. That is a good start if you're a beginner. If you're one of my students, I tell you not to pick anything below 35 gravity, and that is because you have my guidance. However, if you're by yourself, you're just going along with these videos, you should be able to make at least $1,000 per month minimum with any of my YouTube videos. I'm going to tell you to find a gravity of 50, preferably maybe 100, because that means it sells like hotcakes. If you really like something 50, don't go below that. There's other affiliate platforms like impact.com, commissionjunction.com, and digistore24.com. Those are just to name a few. You can go on Deepseek. You can type in, hey, what are some popular affiliate product platforms that I can find hot selling products on and make a ton of money with? As a matter of fact, you can go ahead and download my ever evolving AI prompts that you can just copy and paste inside of any AI generator, whether it's deepseek.com or chatgpt.com. The link for that is down below inside the description. Go ahead and download it right now, and you'll get phenomenal results for whatever you're doing. But I need you to select 3 products. And out of those 3 products, one of them needs to be your core offer, which is one that you will always end up with. That's like the main goal. And then I need you to select 2 supplemental offers. Step number 1 completed. Step number 2, what we're going to do is now create a landing page. We are forming our foundation so that all traffic can go somewhere. We can collect the data and we can move them through what's called a funnel. We have 2 different landing pages here. We're going to have a landing page and we also are going to have a capture page. A landing page, your traffic, your potential customers will simply land upon something. You give them some information and you hope that they will click the button or take you up on an offer. The capture page allows somebody to opt in, and what that means is give their email address in exchange for something. Now you're collecting email addresses, which you can send people emails and offers at any time. It's yours. And that is the power behind what's called a capture page. Then after they go through your first page, aka opt-in page, you typically give them an offer to say, thank you so much for opting in. Thank you so much for giving us your email address. Here's your free training. Here's your free ebook. Here's your free 14-day trial. Whatever the case may be, you will always follow up with some type of offer on the back end. If you go ahead and click my free training under the description, you will notice what is a capture page. You can go straight through my funnel. You can hack my funnel. You can look at my free training to see how I create my webinar. You can do all of that, all right? Go ahead, check it out right now. Plus, you're getting education on how to get at least 10K a month. You're watching it live in action right now. But the whole point of me talking about the landing page and the capture page is to use something called System IO. Now, I like to create my funnels in what's called ClickFunnels, but it's a paid platform. But I do all types of things outside of just creating landing pages with it. System IO is almost the same thing, not as complex, not ran by one of the best marketers in the world, Russell Brunson. It doesn't have that name behind him, but it completes the same task and it's free. You can build your first few funnels for free, then it's paid. But if you do what I teach you, you should be able to make money on one simple funnel and you'll be able to pay that easily for the year. If you want your free account, I provided a link for that down below as well. I try to make this as easy as possible. Then you're going to build your landing page slash capture page, whichever one you want to do. If you don't want to collect emails, you're going to build a landing page. If you're in it for the long run, which is what I am actually teaching you and I recommend, you're going to want to build the capture page because you want to collect email addresses. Without really getting into it, that's actually the secret to six figures a whole lot quicker. You've selected your 3 products. You've figured out whether you're going to do a landing page or a capture page. Now, the next thing that you need to do is create an email sequence for those products. And actually, I misspoke. I told you guys that you are to pick 3 products. This whole video is about creating 5 different streams of income, not 3. I need you to select 5 products total. It sounds like a lot, but listen, this is how we're going to do things. I want it to be very easy for you, and I want to give you the shortcut. Let's go over to deepseek.com. I keep saying .com. I'm old school. For those of you who grew up in the AOL.com era, you know what I'm talking about. If you know nothing about that, you missed out on the good old days of dial-up internet, baby. What we're going to do is take our affiliate links and we're going to tell them, hey, these are my affiliate products. I need to create an email sequence of 30 days with these products. In each email, I want to promote one of the products. And here is my target audience. Now, for me, my target audience typically is between the ages of about 28 to 55. Generally male. You can sprinkle in a couple of females. Females, if you're watching this, I want more of you to watch. Can you please tell me why I can't get more females to watch this channel? Drop it down in the comments, please. I want to know. And then you can type out whatever the heck you want to as well and press the enter button and watch Deepseek at work. And it'll go, it'll do its thing. You'll be shocked. It's going to save you so much time because you literally don't have to write out the emails yourself. And as you're copying and pasting, you want to make sure that those email links are in your copy. If it's not, you're just going to simply copy and paste them and put them inside the email. Don't tell me this takes too much time because once people opt inside of your funnel, this is going to happen in autopilot all in your sleep. This is what the 6-figure marketers do. This is how 10K is generated because imagine if 1,000 people are going through your emails, that means you are not finding 1,000 new customers from your traffic source, which that's what we're going to go over next, but rather you have 1,000 customers inside of your store at all times and you're giving them different products at different points in their life to where they might not need this, but they need this. And boom, there it is. You've presented it to them right at the perfect time where they needed it. And they make the purchase not from somebody else, not from some other store, but from you. You are going to solve problems in your content, which leads me to my next point, traffic. Pick your platform. Antonio, I don't know which platform to choose. Should I choose Pinterest? Should I choose X? Should I choose YouTube or TikTok? Everybody says all the young people are on TikTok. It all works. You just have to figure out what works for you. For me, I love the YouTube long form. I'm just now catching on the short form. I hate doing it, but it's starting to kind of pick up some steam for me. I use AI a lot actually in order to help me produce content for short form. Just pick one, stick with it for 30 days, see how it works for you. And so here in this case, I'm going to tell you what gives you the fastest results. You want the quickest way in order to hit six figures, your 10K per month. I'm just going to be honest with you, and that is to use video. Video is the hottest thing at this moment. You don't have to show your face, but showing your face definitely does help. However, there's too much of proof to show that if you choose the right niche or the right market or whatever the case may be to make faceless videos with short form content, that will work as well. But you got to put in the effort. So what we're going to do is create viral content with Deepseek AI once again. Listen, Deepseek AI has been a game changer for me in my business. So what you're going to do is go back over to Deepseek again and say, hey, I need to create viral content. I need a hook in order to capture my audience. I need 3 to 5 tips, or maybe I want a sarcastic quote, or maybe I want something with a little bit of dry humor. And once again, you're going to say, my target audience is boom, ages this, they do this, they love that. Press enter, boom, it's going to spit out some type of short form TikTok gibberish, and you get to choose whether you love it or not. Make whatever tweaks and changes and pump out 3 of those bad boys for 30 days and done. Listen, this is what it takes. This is what everybody, you can research this. You can watch other people's videos. You can look at other people's influencers. They will all tell you posting 3 to 5 times per day, at least 3 times per day. That is what the most successful has done, and they hit their results very quickly using AI with no website. This is it. So once again, shameless plug. I have an affiliate marketing course that I have at a extreme discounted price until I get at least 10 purchases from it. Get it while it's super cheap. This helps you make your first 10K online, 90 days to 10K. But if you're really ambitious and you really want to change your life, I highly recommend that you check out my free training. I created a video just for you on hitting 10K months. That's multiple months. It's free, no gimmicks, nothing weird. Go ahead. The description for that is down below. So what we've done, we've gotten our products from ClickBank or whatever platform you're going to go to. You are going to choose whether you want a landing page or capture page. I recommend a capture page because you're capturing that traffic instead of it just leaving and not seeing you again. You're going to create an email sequence of 30 days using Deepseek AI. Then you're going to choose a traffic platform. But of course, you know your boy always over delivers, so I got a bonus content for you, a bonus tip. Please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let me know that this is fire. Let me know that you're getting something from this. If you like this style of video that I'm doing as opposed to some of the other style videos that I'm doing, let me know that as well. Let me flip over to my screen and show you what the bonus is. In this bonus content, I'm going to show you something that I use in my business every day. We're talking about hitting 10K months with real methods that actually work. And this is something that allows me to paste my content on one platform and it literally multiplies all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and get logged in so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is called repurpose.io, and what it allows me to do is paste my content on TikTok. After it's on TikTok, it is then replicated to all of these other platforms, all at the click of a button. I don't have to think about it. I just created 5 TikToks on my phone, and once I upload those bad boys, that means I'm going to have 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to have over 25 pieces of content out there in a matter of the 24-hour span that I'm going to post this content. That's how powerful this is, right? So I've gone from one platform over to many, and hopefully my video catches on to one of these platforms. Every single platform has a different audience, and my link to my affiliate product or other product, Facebook group or school link, whatever you may be promoting at that time, your content is going to be released to more eyeballs so that you have the chances of increasing the ability of people clicking your link. Thus, you make the money. It's very easy. All you got to do is just click create new workflow. This new page is going to pop up, and all you need to do is select the platform that you're posting to, many to choose from. And then after you select one, After you select one, it's going to ask you what account, because many of you have many different accounts on each platform. Then after you select that, you're going to do the same for the destination where you want the video to go. So then also you go ahead and click that, my YouTube channel. You guys are watching me with this video at Operation Emancipation Occupation. I would select that and boom, there we go. A workflow is created, and now all of a sudden I am fully connected with this well-greased machine that is on autopilot. So as you see, your boy has been busy. I've had a lot of uploads. Not only does this cut down my work immensely, it multiplies my efforts. And that's what we want. And so if you look at the prices, this is well worth the bill. This is 97 cents per day. You can definitely afford that. And then I have the pro version, which is what I highly recommend you get, which is $2.19 per day. You can either do this yearly or monthly. Highly recommend that you do the yearly. Go ahead, just put it on a credit card or something, because if you're doing what I'm teaching you in this video, you should make this money back fairly quickly. Then go ahead, hit start free trial as well if you're interested in a free 14-day free trial. Give it a shot, upload a few pieces of content, and see how easy it is. If you guys like this video that I created for you, go ahead, smash that subscribe button so that you can be notified. Hit that bell icon. Once I upload new content, you will be notified. Drop me some comments down below if you like this video. If this is something that you enjoyed, please show me some love down below in the comments. If there's something that you want me to teach on, drop that down in the comments below as well. Just a little bit of an extra bonus. They give 25% commission for other people who sign up with your affiliate link. So go ahead, sign up as an affiliate as well. Make money in 2 different ways. All right, so I've been doing a lot with AI. Go ahead, watch this next video. I'm going to continue to play around with AI and make money with AI. I fully integrated it within my business. You want to check this video out because this is what you need to do next. All right, guys. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to check out my free trainings. If you're serious about making 10K per month, that is down below inside the description. I just created it for you. It's a short video. It's a short training, but I get straight to the point. See you guys in the next video.